Hey, what's going on? So we'll be doing Natas over the wire in this video. So let's start with Natas over the wire. Okay, the first link, I'll be providing the link in the description, so make sure to check it out. It states that Natas teaches the basics of server-side web security. Each level of Natas consists of its own website located at http://natasx.natas.labs.overthewire.org, where X is the level number. There's no SSH login, that's good. All passwords are also stored in etc web pass. Example, the password for Natas 5 is stored in file which is etc web pass Natas 5 and only readable by Natas 4 and 5. Now we'll be starting with the first level. We'll copy this link and the username and password is given as Natas 0. For both, let's hit enter. So username Natas 0, tab Natas 0. No, I won't save you. I don't want to save it. Okay, so you can find the password for the next level on this page. Now looking at the page, I can't see any of the password. So we can do is view the source page, source code, to check if we find something juicy out here. Some tags, the stuff and the header has nothing to do with the level, some CSS, some JavaScripts, a script for the level and password for the current level which we are doing, and the body with a comment. The password for Natas 1 is blah blah blah. So we'll copy this all and change 0 to 1 as per the information given out, where X is the level number. Now we are on Natas 0, so we'll change 0 to 1 to move to the next level, and it will prompt us for username and password. Now username will become Natas 1 and the password will be the one which we copied right now. Never. Now this says that you can find the password for the next level on this page, but right clicking has been blocked. Now if I try to right click anywhere, okay, this gives us a prompt like right clicking has been blocked. If I right click somewhere else, the same prompt. So we can do two things right here to bypass this. The first one is press Ctrl U on your keyboard and you'll get the source code, or you can do is head to the starting of the URL and type view-source and a colon, press enter, so you will be headed to the source page. Now if we check this out, everything is same. Some comments, some CSS followed by JavaScript and a script with the current levels username and password, and a script which says right clicking has been blocked, for blocking the right click actually. And there's a comment which is the password for Natas 2 is this. So we'll copy this out and move to the next level, which is Natas 2. Okay, the username will be Natas 2 followed by password which we have copied. Ctrl V to paste, or you can right click and paste, but Ctrl V is an easy option to go. Sign in, never. So this says there's nothing on this page, and we can do is right click and view page source or Ctrl U. So a comment, this stuff and the head has nothing to do with the level, CSS, JavaScripts, current username and password, and an image. Let's open this image. So we find nothing. It's just a dark image, or I don't know what it is, but if we look carefully, we have a source which is files/pixel.png. It's not directly pixel.png but files. Now files will be definitely a folder or a directory in which pixel is stored. So we can do is navigate to that folder using / in the URL files. So we get the pixel.png, which is the image, the same image, and we get a users.txt file. So this gives us username colon password. So usernames and passwords a few. So Elise, Bob, Charlie, Natas 3. So these are all not required things. Even these we just do need is Natas 3 and its password. So we'll copy the password and move a step back. Natas 2 to Natas 3. The username here will be Natas 3 for sure. The password we have copied is Ctrl V to paste. Never again. So this says there's nothing on this page. So we'll right click and view the page source. And the first thing you can do or you should do to get any informative stuff, like here it says no more. Let's start with the beginning. It's a good practice. This stuff in the header has nothing to do with the level. Some CSS, some JavaScripts, and a script tag containing the current level, username and password, followed by the content, which is there's nothing on this page. No more information leaks. Not even Google will find it this time. Now you can assume this is a hint given by the maker of this whole lab, and this says not even Google will find it this time. Now this is a great thing to notice. Now Google only not crawls things which are provided in the files to robots.txt file, which is said to disallow, like they disallow few pages to be crawled by Google. Now we can head to the robots.txt by simply typing out here robots.txt and hit enter. So we get a folder called secret. It's secret, but E is replaced with 3. So we'll copy this, move back and paste it out here. We get a users.txt file. So let's open this up. We get username and a password. Boom, we get that. That's so easy. So we'll move back again and let's change Natas 3 to Natas 4 this time. Natas 4 followed by password. We'll press tab to move to the next input field. It's like a tip for you guys, and sign in. Never again. So access disallowed. You're visiting, while authorized users should come only from Natas. This. So we'll be covering this in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification to get notified with our latest upload, and share it with your friends.